This is the part where you run.
Out, man. I love that.
What are you? I've been asking myself the same question.
Nail gun!
Nailed it.
Nail gun, girl. I like that. That's awesome. Can you nail me? Turn up. Megan, turn up.
That won't work anymore. I have a new primary user. Me. I didn't want you to see this. Work anymore. I have a new primary user. Me. To be bad. Are you listening to me? Do you know what happens to bad boys? They grow up to be bad men. Are you listening to me?
Chop, 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 chop. No. Press your, Same on this last one.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Shit. Oh, she stabbed me. Holy shit. Yo, what the heck? What the hell? Holy, hey, come on, man. You can't be doing this.
Are you freaking kidding me? Not yet.
Come on. Come on.
I can't wait to kill you.
I want my body back.
Come and get it.
Would you like to see a magic trick? Would you like to see a magic trick? You'll have to get through me! You'll have to get through me! Look what you made me do!
Pretty impressive. Yeah. Ah, same thing. Is that it? Here you go. Look at that little bastard. His name is Garfield.
This is
Your emergency broadcast system announcing initiation of the merge. Beginning at the siren, any and all free murder will be
Please help me purge!
Hands on him! He does have hands on him. He's definitely... Looking back.
So, gather up real quick, guys. Gather up nice and tight. Scooch on in, scooch on in. We have one of our exclusive RIP photo ops right here in this little building. It is optional. It's 3 photo ops with the grabber, Megan, and one of our purgers. Oh, and Memento. They're still cleaning up the bodies. I mean, the decorations. Listen to that. Yeah, we got lots of them. We're gonna scooch on in, guys. Scooch on in. Get nice and close. He doesn't bite, right?
Hello there. Of course I don't. As long as they can keep a secret, not tell anyone who we got.
Guys, scooch on in.
Come on in, everyone. Do you like magic? Well, I'm a part-time magician and I'm working on a trick, but right now I see so many cameras. How about a picture time? You want to come on over and take a picture with me? I'll even let you hold on to my magic balloons. So right over my go first. Big smiles might depend on it. Don't stop smiling. 3, 2, 1. strangle you with your own intestines, not in front of all these witnesses.
Seatbelt. Bye, have a good night, Mr. Grabber.
Don't talk to strangers.
Alright guys, we're gonna kinda hang out right over here on the side. We're gonna scooch on over, scooch on over. We're gonna take this piece. Alrighty, my friends. If you're ready for a photo, what we'll do is we'll line up here in front of the stage. Don't stand on the stage, please, but just kind of around it. Who would like to be the first group to go up? Alright, ready? And 3, 2, 1. Awesome, here you guys go. And then, alrighty. And 3, 2, 1. Alright, anybody else? No? Well, I think that makes it all fine and dandy for our Megan.
This is the part where you run.
And our last photo up right here with our friendly little murderer. Would you like a photo for our murderer? Then I'll snap your photos for you.
System announcing the initiation of the purge.
It's not funny. Alright, anybody else want photos? Alright, well, what are we gonna take on here before we get... Yeah, we'll make our way down there. So for this one, it's gonna be a big group photo. So for all your groups, make sure you have that designated camera out, and then we'll snap photos for you guys. Hi there. What?
I thought you weren't supposed to be here, but that's okay.
We're not supposed to.
Hi! Welcome. Oh, this is a big room.
Oh yeah, we got a big
Oh,
group.
well, come on over. Hi. I see y'all are nice and cozy here. Don't mind the sound, earthquake test. Hi. Oh, this is a big room. How are y'all doing?
Great. What's
Great.
that?
Great. Oh, this is my little lucky charm, welcome to Jupiter's Claim. Sorry about the mess. Well, this is an authentic Western town created by our founder, Ricky Jew Park, who was the star of the most famous hit show, Gorgie's Home. Y'all are familiar with that show?
Yeah.
I know, with the terrible accident with the chimp. Sorry, but we don't like to talk about that. Anyways, sorry, Ricky was supposed to meet y'all, but as you can see, we're having technical difficulties here, especially at the Star Lasso Theater. Yeah, something about a unexpected and an unidentified aerial phenomenon, but hey, I'll tell you what, why don't we actually start with your guys' first authentic Western experience right here, taking a group photo, yeah? My dear tour guys, you mind taking a group photo of everybody? It's okay, we'll make sure we share the photo with y'all. So come on over here, don't be shy, all right? Make sure we stay close, okay, please, you want to stay really close. Quickly now, quickly. Come on in, come on in.
One big group photo.
Airdrop it.
Now make sure you saddle up your phone, y'all. Take you careful, okay? You keep this Susie over here. All right, now on the count of 3, we're gonna say cheese, okay, everyone? 1, 2, 3.
Cheese! What? Beautiful.
How's that? It's so light. Oh, hold on. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, there'll be another car in a minute. Why don't you try your luck heading for gold while you wait? Yes, don't mind them, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. What are you doing? All right,